I dream it. Indigo. Baby, what you wanna do tonight? What you got for me to try? We let it dip a couple of.
Good morning, y'all. Today I decided to vlog since I have to do a few things today, and since I don't leave my house very often, I decided to take this opportunity to vlog. I have to go to CVS to pick up some pictures for a letter I have to write, and then I have to go to the post office to send that letter, and then I have to go to Joanns to get some fabric for projects that I have to do this week and videos, things of that nature. And yeah, but I actually have to finish writing the letter, so I guess y'all can watch me do that for a little bit. Don't worry, it's not gonna be too boring, probably just like a time lapse or something. And yeah, I just got this wig on. It's not even glued down. I just slicked the baby hairs down because I'm gonna put a hat on today. And yeah, y'all can just come with me today if y'all want to. Real quick, do y'all like this? I'm thinking about doing this and then wearing a black turtleneck, and then I don't know for the bottoms yet. I'll let y'all know. Actually, y'all, I decided to go with this like rust kind of top. I'm not sure if this is considered a turtleneck or not, but I got it from Ross. Ross always be coming through. I need to exfoliate my lips. I put Vaseline on them, but I think I need to exfoliate them. But yeah, I'm going to finish writing this letter, and then I'm gonna be heading out soon to go run those errands that I need to run, okay? And I'm probably gonna be wearing jeans with this, so yeah. I'm just waiting on Mary to come. I don't like driving by myself. I'm super nervous to drive by myself. Yeah, here she comes.
And then you're gonna go to the right.
The blinkers?
No, your blinkers is to that way. You know how to do this, turn some more. Turn some more. Go up, go up. You can go up some more.
He's turning.
You can go up some more to see.
I'm turning.
Oh no, just wait.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Is my blinker still on?
No, push it up. It'll automatically go off when you go.
And it's raining today.
It's not even raining. At all.
It was raining the last time I was driving. I need to practice be driving every single day of this week, and the next week, and the week after that, because I'm trying to fix something to work.
When I was learning how to drive, I used to act like my job to school.
You used to drive to school?
Yeah, so we drive to school someday. I used to do that. But then when I first started driving, it was weird. When I drove the Aspen car.
So driving on the same. I guess I need to build my confidence up.
Take it out. Gas it, gas it, gas it, gas it, gas it. Get all the way. Gas it. Don't do that. Just go straight and curve it a little. There you go. Now make sure get a little more gas.
Isn't this our green?
No, you definitely can't run a yellow light.
So we're walking into CVS now to go get the pictures. Look how we look like having a cigarette. I just gotta pick up the pictures. I'll print the other pictures later for the next letter that I write. I was gonna print pictures. Should I just print pictures of today? Or should I wait till for the next time?
Just wait.
We should just wait for the next time.
I gotta get back soon.
Yeah, Mary has to get back soon. So, we're pulling up, alright. We're pulling up at the post office now. Okay, good. Great. The kiosk is working. Just standing in line for the self-service. Still waiting. But there's not really a line, so that's good for me. I didn't get to record myself at the kiosk because the man was taking so effing long. Like, oh my gosh. But I'm walking back to the car now. The last place I have to go is Joanns, and that's down the street. So, yeah. If it's brown, I'll give you, cause like blue is more recessive to like more prone to
diseases.
Okay. Yeah, y'all, we're just talking about the husky that is coming soon that we're gonna have a part of our family. And his name is Nobu. And then inshallah, God willing, we'll be getting a girl and her name is going to be Ren. So
Ren, that's so cute.
we're going to have a YouTube channel for all of our dogs. We have Gelato, she's a pocket bully, and we'll have 2 huskies, Ren and Nobu. And yeah, y'all see that soon.
2 girls and 1 boy.
Yeah, 2 girls and 1 boy. It's good that all this stuff is like around our house. We don't really gotta drive too far. Like, we don't have to drive out of our city, really. Do you want an oversized bow? I mean, scrunchie?
Yeah, I'll be nice.
I think I'm gonna be selling them. I was driving first, but now Mary's driving because I drive a little slow and we have to hurry up and get back to the house so she can finish her work before Wednesday. But I need to hurry up and get my driver's license. So I'm gonna be like practicing driving like all this week, all next week, for the rest of the month so I can get comfortable enough to drive by myself because I hate driving by myself. It's really scary. We're about to go inside of Joanns. His eyes is, he is so cute. I'm going to show y'all pictures. Let me turn it. Make sure y'all follow him at 19.nobu. He is so cute. So we're just looking for something to make the oversized scrunchies with. How much are these? Where is that lady over there? So we got so far. I got some threads for something that I need to do. Got some tulle. This one's hard. This one's light. See, this one's looser than this one. This one is looser. This one is looser. This is real nice. Oh,
Okay.
this is so nice.
Let's just find something.
This is really nice. The color. I'm gonna go garnet.
Bet I spend over $20 in here today. I promise you. Not that I want to, but I bet I will. I'm ready, Mary, when you are. I hate Joanns. I hate it. I hate Christmas. I hate it.
I hate Christmas. I hate it.
So I was right. I ended up spending more than 20. I spent 33. But should be fine, right? Hopefully.
Okay, you guys, so that's all for the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and to tap the post notification bell so you'll be made aware or notified when I post a new video. I have to go get this video together and edit it, and then I have to record the scrunchie video and then edit that and get ready to post both of those tomorrow. If I get it done ahead of time, I'll be able to post something today. But best of luck. Thank you guys for tuning in with me today, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.